Hello guys, you are welcome to Unique Design. Today you are going to insert doors and windows in our plan. So before you start, let's have a look of the plan. Now there's a plan and there's a staircase and columns here. So you are going to design this staircase and columns. When you are done, you insert our doors and windows. So you pick a line and just draw a vertical line, 450, join it here. So you are going to offset this one, offset it to 150. Now you are done with design this staircase. So you are going to design our column and just a height of 150, a width of 150, height of 150, a width of 150. I just use a polyline to design, so don't forget to use a polyline. So you are going to move this one to the exact position that you want. You hold the center and you drag it here. Now you are going to copy this one. Yeah. And don't forget, the interval of this column is 150. So when you are copying it to here, you just type in 300. From here to here, you type in 600. So you copy 300 from here to the other end in 600. So when you are done, let's check the dimension. If the interval of this end to this end is 150, you check as usual, it's 150. So now you are done with the staircase and the columns. So you are going to copy this one. You copy it 3 times. First one, second one, third one. You let's add one last one to it, and the fourth one. The reason why I copied this is because we are going to use this one for the foundation plan and the roof plan and the roof details too as well. That's why I copied this. And there's no need for you to insert the doors and windows, because if you insert doors and windows, you can't use it to design a foundation plan. You are supposed to take it off. That's why I decided that let's copy it. When you are done, we just insert the doors and windows to the one that we want. So you are going to insert doors and windows to only this plan, because this is the plan that you are going to use it for the elevations and sections too as well. So we are going to insert our doors. So let's check from the plan. Now this door is a sliding door, and the weight of this sliding door is 1200 by 2100. The 1200 is the width and the 2100 is the height. So you go back and you check a sliding door here. So let's check for the weight. The weight is 1200 and the height is 2100. So you just click on it and you place it at where you want. Now you are going to insert a bedroom door. And the bedroom door, the width is 900 and the height is 2100. And the type of the bedroom door that you are going to insert is just a hinged single door. So you just click on the hinged single door and you change the width to be 900. And please don't forget, you just check the measure tool. The measure tool is outside to outside frame, not inside to inside frame. Thank you. So the swing like this is just a 45 degrees. It depends on what you want. If you want it to be a 90 degrees, you just key in here 90. If you want it to be 45, you type in 45. 60, you type in 60. But I just want it to be 45, so I just remain the 45 and just come here to place my door. So now we are going to insert a washroom door, and it's a hinged single door, and the rate is 750. The standard rate for washroom door is 600, or you prefer by using 750 by 2100, and you can even use 600 by 2000. It depends on the type of design that you want, or the type of plan that you are designing. So I just use 750 by 2100. Now let's have a look of the plan. And as you can see here, you open it to this side, not to this side. If you open it to this side, it's going to block the ventilation. So that's why you are supposed to open it to this side. So I'm going to flip. So I just flip it to the other side. And as you can see here. And we are going to open this space by using a case opening. And the rate is 1200. So we just type in 1200. You just click on the move to move this one. Now you are done inserting our doors, so you are going to insert the windows. So let's check from the plan when you are done insert the windows. So the plan, now this is the width of the living room window is 1800, and the height is 1500. So, and the type of window that you are using is the greater window. You have a casement and a double hinge. It depends on what you want. It depends on the type of design that you want. So let's use this one. And you said the rate is 1800, so we type in 1800, and the height is 1500. So when you are done, you just check the head height, and the head height is 2100. So please don't forget, if you check, and here instead of head a sill, so for the sill height is 600. So if you want the head height, please change it to be head and type in the head height. The head height is 2100. If you type in the head height, automatically it's going to give you the sill height. So when you're done, you just place it at where we want, and you are going to insert our bedroom window, and our bedroom window is 1000. The rate is 1200, and the height is 1500. So you set it here, the same thing here, and the same thing at the dining area. So now you are going to insert window. So you are going to insert our kitchen window, and the kitchen window, the height of the kitchen window is 900, and the rate is 1200. So you change the height to be 900. Type in, so you come and place it here. So now, after you are done inserting our kitchen window, you are going to insert our lobby window and our washroom window, and the rate of the lobby window is 750, and the height is 750, and our washroom window is 750 by 750, so you key in 750 by 750 and you place it here. Now you are done inserting our doors and windows, so you are going to do interior decor. You are going to insert furnitures inside to demonstrate that here is bedroom, here is living area, dining, kitchen, washroom, lobby. So let's go back to our house, two properties. As you see here, click on design and come to content what browser. So you just type in here because you just need a bed here, so you type in here bed and you search for the bed. These are all bed. As you can see, this is bed, this also what bed. You have bedside what table if you want it that way. So you are going to use this bed. Now you copy it. If you copy here, you come back here and click on paste. There's it. So you click on this one and you bring it. Now you just want to rotate this one to the other side first. So you rotate it like this. And you move it here. It all depends on how you want it, or you can even rotate it to be like this, but for the best way, let's maintain it here. So if you want the living area too, you do the same thing. You go back. Okay, so after inserting all these things, you just want a dining table because there's no dining table there. So I have a template and I'm going to put that template in the platform so that anyone who want to use it can use it. So if I go to my template, as you see here, I have a lot of dining tables here. So I just select the one that I want. So I prefer using this one. So I'll use this one. So I just copy it and I go and paste it here. And if you need a sink, if you need a sink too, you just come because there's a sink here. If you come to toilet, you have a lot of them. Because I just want to use the type of sink. So I'll copy this one, place it here. I'll go back, need the toilet seat. So I'll copy this one and I'll go and paste it here. So select with the bath. The bath, okay. No, I don't need this one. Let me check this one. Okay, let me take this one. I'll copy this one to it. I'll go and place it here. So I just rotate it. So I just explode this one. I'll just explode this one. And I'll extend this line here. This one also here. This one also here. Just click on move. That is okay. So I click on extend. Extend this, to extend this, to extend this one too as well. So now I trim this part. I'll trim here, trim here, trim here, and trim here. Understand? So now you're getting the shape of what you want. So now, as you see, here is just a lobby, and here too there is going to be a, let's say, it's going to put a washing machine here. So let's search for something and put it there. So you go back to okay, so I'm going to use this one as the washing machine. You understand? So I'm going to use this one as the washing machine. So you copy this one, and then you have to use the 2D. So you copy this one, and you put it here. You understand? So this washing machine, and as you can see, the moment you see this one without even naming it, you see that, oh, here's a living room, bedroom, okay, washroom, lobby, kitchen, and dining. But the reason why you do this one is because it helps the client to know where exactly to place his or her furnitures. That's why you do this. And sometimes too, it helps the plumbers to know where the pipes is going to be what laid. That's why you do this. So ladies and gentlemen, we thank you for the day, and we are going to continue next time by doing the inside dimension, doing the lecturing as well, and providing the guidelines too. So thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.